Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic of distribution profit and loss, and I am here with another question. Details of the question which I am discussing with you, that this is not available in your new edition because it is little bit older question, but it has a very good technical part. So I included this topic for you people. This is your exam question number 2 in your third edition, and the past paper year is 1987. Okay, I proceed towards the question. We have Fazil and Kamal started business in partnership with capitals of 30,000, 40,000. What is the important part that we have to focus over here? We have to focus the partner's capital. If it is given in the question, the date of the firm when it is started and the date of the firm when it is ending. Then we have to focus the partners distributing ratio, whether it is given in ratio, whether it is equally in percentage or in fraction. And another point that we have to consider is the net income which is given in the question. These are the very much important part that you have to focus. The partnership agreement provides payment of salary and commission as under. Here we have salaries to each partner 6,000 for the year. For the year means it is for the 1 year, 12 months or per annum. So no need to apply a month over here. Commission to Mr. Kamil is 3,000 for the year. It means no commission for Fazil, only commissions given to Mr. Kamil. 3,000 for the year means no month is applied. We have required part. In required we have distribution of profit, that is your 20,000 for the year. Now come towards B part, you have to prepare the journal entry, and in C part you have to prepare the capital accounts of the partner. It is very easy, you have done in the first year also, and we will discuss in the next videos also. Let's proceed towards the first part, that how we are calculating income distribution summary. This is a format that we have discussed in the previous videos also, and today I'm discussing with you that we have capital balances at the top, then we have net income in the third column or the last column you can say. Then I put the adjustments, whatever the adjustments given in the question. Those adjustments can be a salaries, commission, bonus, and interest on commission. Then I will do the vertical totaling of these adjustments, and then horizontal totaling of these adjustment, writing down the value over here, the total of your expenses. From net income we will deduct your expenses and to get the remaining net income. This remaining net income should be distributed as per the condition given in the question. I use the word condition. It means, condition means whether it is given in ratios, whether it is given in equally, or any such condition which can be given. So this is your format. Let's come towards the solution. Yes, for the top I mentioned the name of the partners, Fazil and Kamil, and then we have distribution of profit and loss. You can write here income distribution summary also. It will be at the end of the year. Here in the question they don't mention any year, so I write it down as on December. Then cross month, like date 30 31st, and then I will write it down. The year is also not mentioned, so I put two cross for it. We have format, particulars, Fazil and Kamil, and then total capitals at the top. Then I close the capitals. Then I put the net income in the last column, 20,000. Salary for two partners, it should be 6,000, 6,000 per year they have mentioned. Commission is only for Mr. Kamil, and I write it down 3,000 for Kamil. No commission for Fazil, so I put the cross over here. Then I applying the vertical calculation. 6,000 plus 0 is 6,000. 6,000 plus 3,000 is 9,000. This is your vertical calculations. Then I put horizontal calculation. 6,000 plus 9,000 is 15,000. What I will do, 20,000 minus 15,000 to get the remaining net income, and this is your 5,000 is your remaining net income. Then I applied ratios over here. What they have, what the condition they have discussed with you, the condition, the distributing condition is 3:2 is the ratio. So what I have done, I have to show the working over here. 5,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 for Fazil, 5,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 for Kamil. You have to show working over here, income distribution working in the examination also. that how you are calculating this distribution amount, and you have to show the ratios 3 is to 2 over here also in the bracket. Okay, now this amount will become zero because 5,000 is distributed among the partners, so this 5,000 will be negative and now it becomes nil. Another point which I want to discuss over here, you have to do the verification. 9,000 plus 11,000 is equals to net income, so when I add these two values it should be equal to 20,000. Hope so it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.